Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and today we're gonna be introducing the sixth attachment in this multifunctional attachment series, and it's perfectly on the floor when we attach it to our robot with the base attachment if you followed the robot building rules. And from here we want to use the city shaper map, and we're gonna push a little block completely forward to make it stop at a specific spot so something lands on it. Now for this one, the spacing is very important, so you need to make sure you follow the instructions carefully and get the spacing correct, otherwise it's not going to be accurate. Now you can see multiple attachments being here, and there are a lot of pins, so you must be careful on which space and which holes you're going to put it on, and just follow the instructions and you can get this done. This is the programming for the robot, and here is a demonstration for the robot. And thank you everyone for watching. Remember to press the like button and subscribe to the channel.